Hey guys, today we got a nice one here. It's a cab high fiberglass ranch model. I believe it's a Sierra series. Fits the 09 to 18 Ram 1500 with the 5.7 bed, and then the 19 to 24 Ram classic bed, classic body style with the 5.7 bed. Paint's in good shape. Don't see any major problems with this one. Paint looks good all the way through here. We have a small chip right there. All the way through here looks good. No damage here on that I can see. Down through here looks good. Paint looks good down through there. There's a small chip right on the corner. And looks like there's one right there as well. That's about it. Paint looks good all the way through there. All the way through here looks nice. No damage that I can see. Oh, it looks like we got a little scuff right there. I didn't see that there. A little bit of a scuff mark right there. Half slide sliders on the side. Sliding window in the front. There's that little chip in the corner. A little bit of a stone chip right there. Oh, guess I can't see it. There it is. Paint looks good through here. The top of the top edge looks nice. Down through here looks good. Bottom edge looks nice. No damage that I can see on any of this. Does have the sliding window in it. Window slides open. Ooh, that's tight. I guess I should open that up ahead of time. There we go. Window slides open. Allows access into the cab from the cab, and the cab from the cap. Closes back up. Seals back up. Shut again. Paint looks good on this side, no damage I can see. Top of the top edge on this look good. Side here looks really nice. Down through here looks good. It does have a couple chips right there. And then we've got another one there, and then right there, right above the logo. Small chip right there on the edge. Paint looks good all the way through here. Half slide sliders on the side. Double T-handle locking rear door. Paint looks good through here. A little bit of a chip right there. Down through here looks good, no problems. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Screens look pretty good. No problems on the screen. Screens look good. No holes on there. Screens look good on this side. Good there. Serial number. There it is. Got a cab high fiberglass ranch. I believe it's a Sierra series cap. It's a 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 with the 5.7 bed. PAU gray is the color. It also worked on the 2019 to 2024 Ram Classic body style with the 5.7 bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain color, model, brand, size, cap, what have you, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in, so you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck apps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.